Kita gani kita nitenga na Yesu mwokozi wangu. Nikeki hapana nimekeka.
Hey guys, how are you all doing? It's another beautiful day and today tuko hapa na kanani?
Sister kadogo kanaitwa Wowo.
Ndio, kanka sister kango kadogo, and we are excited cause we're always excited. But anyway, today she has a meeting, and what do you need to take to the meeting?
I need to do a cake for everyone.
Yes. So we've never both baked a carrot cake before. Sasa leo ni siku ya kwanza. New experience
Maneno.
But tunahopa itaharibika oye.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's just jump right into the video. Woo-hoo!
First start by peeling the carrots and then you grate them so that they can be in small pieces. Next, mix the blue band and the sugar and then mix them thoroughly. You add a bit of cooking oil. I added too much, but may probably use half of what I've used, which was around 400 ml or 300 ml. Add eggs, but the eggs, add them one by one. I broke all of them in a jar, but I poured them one by one. You can see how smooth the mixture is. Add some vanilla extract and mix. Add the carrots. This looks so yummy. Now mix the solids in one bowl, the flour and the powders, all of them in one bowl. Then mix them thoroughly. I used a small bowl to mix the liquids, so I had to transfer them to a big sufuria and then later on added the flour little by little. And then you ensure that you mix thoroughly. It looks like a tractor. I think it looks good. It looks like it's blowing. Anyway, I don't know why I enjoy looking at it. Okay, later remove the trays that are inside the oven that you're not using and then preheat your oven. I do it normally at 250 degrees for 15 minutes. Apply margarine to your cooking bowl.
Kita gani kita nitenga na Yesu mwokozi wangu. Hapana nimekataa kabisa. Hapana nimekataa kabisa. Hapana nimekataa kabisa.
When you've spread it thoroughly, just add a little bit of flour so that your cake doesn't stick. Pour your mixture in and then place it inside the oven and you're done. Open your oven after 30 minutes. Use a toothpick to check, dip your toothpick inside the cake, and when you take it out, if it's dry, your cake is ready. If it's still wet, just add your timer, 10 more minutes or so. That is all. The cake was yummy and so delicious. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.